Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for hanging out with me. Today we're doing our Christmas photo shoot. Now, this is the first Christmas photo shoot we've ever done. But this isn't the first photo shoot we've done at me and my family. Like, we've taken pictures tons of times, and we usually just take them ourselves. Like, we don't go to some studio, we don't hire a photographer. I've got a lot of like equipment that I have for doing videos and things, and it was like, let's just be serious about it. Let's come together and let's figure it out, and we can make this a really, really cute moment. Now, I think overall, I think we did great, but I know next time we do a photo shoot like this, it can be even better because this isn't our first photo shoot, but this is the first one where like my husband helped with everything. And I think the photos came out really cute. I'll show you guys a couple of the shots at the end. But it was so much fun. Like, the baby was having a blast. The oldest one, she was having a good time too. But it took so long to set this up. Like, you could see it on her face. She was totally tired by this point. And the baby kept up her good mood for as long as she could, y'all. But it eventually, as you're gonna see in just a second, everything started to kind of become a time crunch because she was getting fussy. She didn't want to do this correct. She didn't want to do that, and it was a moment. Okay, like, I didn't want to overdo it because I didn't want to like wear out the Christmas spirit. But I still, like, it was too late to turn back. Everything was ready and in place. We had to proceed, and we did. I'm glad we pushed through, but it was a lot of work trying to get the baby to smile. We ultimately did find a way to get her to still seem happy on camera. We had to get her to say goodbye, and that's just like because she knows if we're telling something bye, in her mind, we're going to stop doing it. She was ready to stop taking these pictures, y'all. And you can see the oldest one was over it too. They were ready to just enjoy the Christmas tree by this point. And so, I don't know. It was still a lot of fun, and I'm super happy we made these memories there. And I'm glad we did do it ourselves, even though they might not be as nice as like a professional might do, or as organized as, somebody who does this for a living. But there are memories. We did it ourselves, so it's totally a feeling of accomplishment. So we're really excited to be able to share our 2024 holiday photos. And I just could not get over how cute my daughters were in their matching dresses, y'all. So I tried to get shots of everybody doing everything. Everybody, just them two, them with their dad, them with me and the dad together, and then of course all of us in one photo too. But this was a lot of work. Would I do it again? Absolutely. It was so much fun. I love doing things like this. And so I was like tripping, y'all. I was like, is my whole family really like taking pictures together? And we're doing this as one on one accord. It was amazing because I love doing things like this, and I've never really had these guys try and help me, you know what I'm saying? And so it was a good moment. It was a good moment, and I'm happy to share it with you guys. So tell me though, how's your guys' holiday going? Did you guys decorate, or did you guys decide not to this year? This is our first year doing any of this stuff, so we're totally having a blast. It's very much new to us. Do I think we're going to decorate next year? I don't know. It depends on where we are. We might not be living, we might move, so we might not be living here again next year, but we'll see. Anything could happen. Possibilities aren't endless. Look, this guy, he was totally into the pictures. Look at him. He was into the pictures a whole lot. More than he initially wanted to admit, but silly goose. But yeah, you guys, we had a blast. And we're about to wrap up this family photo shoot, okay? You could look, everybody's tired. The oldest is tired, but she's keeping that spirit. The youngest, the spirit's gone. She just wants to play with the toys and have a bottle. You know what I'm saying? She wants to relax, have her little oat milk. My husband was still surprisingly with it. You know what I'm saying? Like he was really into this. And I was so surprised because it's hard to get him to want to be involved with anything that pertains to like cameras, editing, lighting, posing. You know what I'm saying? He just is not really his thing, I would say. But I think as he sees me doing it more and more, I think it's kind of opening his mind to give it a shot. It's not that crazy. It really isn't. And once he just shakes off that people are going to judge him no matter what he does, I think, I just think he did enjoy himself. And so that was really nice. And I think our pictures came out so cute, especially the ones with the girls. After this, I think me and him quickly took some just me and him photos, and then we wrapped it up, baby, because we were so tired, okay? And so I'm definitely going to post a couple of pictures at the end of the video for you guys to see. So stay tuned for that. And thank you guys for, coming to our family photo shoot. Hey guys, we have just finished our holiday photo shoot. We took Christmas pictures. This whole weekend we've been doing Christmas stuff. We've been watching Christmas movies. We put our tree up. We just took our photos. Like, my girls are dressed in cute Christmas dresses. Me and my husband got matching sweaters. We're tired, we're exhausted, and now we're about to go get something to eat. So